Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix heating issue on the Poco C75. Now the first step is to open the settings app. Now from here just tap on about phone. Now from here scroll down and tap on the OS version a few times until you enable developer options. Now once you enable developer options, just go back. Now from here just search background process limit. Now from here, tap on background process limit. Now from here, tap on background process limit. Now from here, if it is on standard limit, just select 2 or 3. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, tap on the recent apps buttons. Now from here, just close all the recent apps. Now once you have done that, just open the app drawer. Now from here, just delete any unused apps. Just like that. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just open the settings app. Now from here, tap on about phone. Now from here, tap on the OS version to check if there is a software update available. Now as you can see, our smartphone software is up to date. But if you have any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. Now from here, once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just swipe down and open the control center. Now from here, just close any unnecessary connections. Now if you're using Wi-Fi, close the mobile data. If you're not using Bluetooth, just close Bluetooth. And just like that. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now from here, make sure you enable automatic brightness. Now once you have done that, just go back. Now from here, just search location services. Now from here, tap on location. Now from here, make sure you disable use location. Now from here, tap on close. Now the last tip is do not use your smartphone while you're charging your smartphone. Now this might cause overheating. Now if you use your smartphone while you are charging your smartphone, this might cause overheating. And this is how you can fix the heating issue on the Poco C75. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.